What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Just picked up this Oatey handy pack. It's a purple primer for PVC and clear PVC cement here. So pick this up for under $8 on Amazon. It's just kind of nice because sometimes you have the primer, sometimes you have the cement, sometimes you need both. And you know, if you have small applications, this is a great way to have everything that you need in one little kit. There's 4 fluid ounces of both. Basically, you can just use one of these. You open the sucker up, and then the caps have the applicator swabs on the top so that you can just do a quick ring around your pipes and prime them and then cement them. Now, I do want to say here too that I needed a pair of pliers to get the tops off these things, both of them. I could not get them off. So hopefully you have a pair of pliers or vice grips or something like that, because I heated them up. I used can openers. I could not do it without bringing in hard tools. So keep that in mind. But these are great for having, you know, glue, cement for PVC pipes, whether it's plumbing or air ducts or whatever. You got to make them sure they're sealed. Check it out. Pick this up. I'll put a link to it in the description. They're cheap. Peter from Panda out.